We can't fix the hopper because you wanted to watch a show.
A premium quality show.
It is not even a premium quality show.
Agree to disagree.
It is not worth losing everyone's lives for. Do something about that.
Shit. Look at the screen.
Why?
There's something that works for me when I'm
Having a heart attack.
I don't have a heart, so no, not that.
Sanctuary fucking moon.
It's a soothing episode.
That's obscure.
Just watch.
All right.
I am breathing the crystal air. Are you feeling calm?
Yeah.
Good. Well, let's figure out how to fix this. Havregröt.
SecUnit. You're leaking.
Things that would incapacitate you.
Wouldn't even